Yo, awesome guy who clicked on the thumbnail. Tell me, what are your chances of taking your crush out for a date? If you send her a text, Hi Priya, and she texts back, My name is Priyanka. You're back with your boys partying alone because she did not friend zone you. She no zoned you. Gentlemen, if you find it immensely difficult to make people like you, let me tell you 7 things that will make people say, Wow, he's a rock star. Well, that may take some time, but definitely if you implement these 7 steps, you'll be a pretty likable person. My name is Sri Shubhadatta. I'm an MBA from IIM Bangalore. I'm a serial experimenter and I talk about productivity and positivity. If you have not subscribed yet, you're missing practical ways to be more productive. Every day I receive dozens of emails from marketing agencies. Some spell my name wrong or address me as hi, dear sir, or something. Those mails go straight to trash. So here comes the first step. Learn to remember names and pronounce them correctly. You misspell somebody's name, you become a nobody for them. Number 2, don't be a mother-in-law finding things to pick on the other person. Nobody, I said nobody likes a critic. Be an easygoing, cool dude. People like them with whom they are comfortable with. Number 3, you all have that guy in office or school who says, I know everything, who questions you always. He has got a problem with ideas, he has got a problem with your boss because of his big ego. Be a guy who has knowledge but ain't a douchebag. Remember, if you are nothing without your suit, then you don't deserve the suit. Wow, did I just quote Iron Man? I am awesome. Number 4, get interested in people, gentlemen. Wanna talk to your girl? Know which IPL teams he supports, which football teams he is crazy about. Don't be a guy who has to talk about himself all the time. That's creepy and boring. Number 5, this one is no brainer. Dress up to the occasion. Don't be a guy who wears his flip flops and shorts to wherever he goes. Get some dress shirt, rock some manly tees. People like who look good. Screw people, try to look good because you will feel good. Here comes the number 6. Never miss an opportunity to congratulate or saying kind words to people. Wow, that's a cool tie. Nice shoes, great presentation. Pinch of salt, there is a difference between being a nice guy and being a creepy desperado. Being a good guy brings me to the point number 7. Have a positive flair. Positive people don't complain about weather, excess, boss, country. They're spicy people with ideas and open minds, like you and me. We enjoy life. Let me summarize it quickly. Remember the names of people correctly. Be easygoing. Don't be nagging. Be interested. Dress sharp. Be kind to people and positive about life. Be loud, alive, and awesome. I come up with great ideas every day. Subscribe to my channel to bring out the Tom Cruise in you. Cheers.